Hey friends, welcome back to Stock Tech. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to look at the levels where Nifty is headed. Okay, so probably for the month of February, markets are doing really well. The month of January also, the markets did very amazing. So the markets rallied, and now in February, since the first of Feb, that's the day of budget, the market has been rallying amazingly since day one. Okay, so now I'll be taking you to the Nifty 50 chart, and we will try to see what's exactly happening with Nifty. Okay, currently Nifty is at 15,168 levels. The markets are live, as you can see. The time is 10:25 a.m. It's it's 9th February 2021, and currently Nifty is at 15,168 something, right? So it's moving. Okay, if you see Nifty rally, this rally started on 1st Feb recently, and market has gone up amazingly. In the last few days, the market rallied almost 11%, 12%. That's a huge rally by Nifty 50 over here. But now the question comes up, where is the market headed? Where is it going? Okay, now I'll show you something. When Nifty has been following a conventional uptrend channel, okay, if you look here, this is acting as the resistance, whereas this line over here that I have marked, the red line, is acting, let's turn it green, acting as support. So Nifty is basically following a conventional trend line channel over here. Okay, and currently Nifty is at the resistance. So you got to be very careful while you're trading now, because people, those who are buying, can get stuck up into stocks at higher prices because Nifty is currently at resistance. This line over here, this channel over here, will act as a resistance and will try to push down Nifty. Remember, if Nifty doesn't cross over this channel very soon, that is in today or tomorrow, then you can expect some correction in Nifty, and that correction may even go up to the support levels. So, what we see here is either Nifty has to cross this channel as soon as possible, or can go out down to the support levels as well. Currently, as I can see, Nifty is looking very aggressive for the day. I'll just go to the lower time frame channel and try to show you. So Nifty is looking aggressive for the day, and it's fighting the resistance, and a breakout can be expected. If the breakout happens, the further rally will continue. In fact, a big quick rally can come in. Big quick rally can come in above this resistance level. Nifty has to give a closing, day closing, that is 3:30. It should close above this resistance channel so that we get a big rally ahead. That would be a channel breakout, upturn channel breakout, and we can expect some very big rally from here above these levels. But if it doesn't cross over this channel, if doesn't give a closing over this channels in the next 2 to 3 days, then trust me, some correction is coming. And the corrections levels, you can expect it to correct up to 14,200 levels, 295 levels, or you can expect a correction up to 14,000 13,900 levels. Okay, I'm currently bullish on the markets, and we have one more level over here. So this, when Nifty starts coming down, this levels will act as support to Nifty. That would be 14,740 level, 14,200 300 level, and 13,960 levels. This will be the levels that will be acting as supports for Nifty when it starts coming down. Currently, Nifty is at the resistance level, so stay safe, trade safely. Do not do not take heavy trades unless you see the crossover and closing about this particular point over here, because this is a long uptrend channel that has been formed since March. Okay, now if you see Nifty is at an all-time high. Okay, Nifty is an all-time high, yearly high. Okay, never been so high. And if you see at the monthly candle looks very aggressive. But some correction can be expected if it doesn't cross over, as I told you, this channel over here. Okay, If anybody is unsure of the levels, you can take it as for the day it's 15,210 levels. Okay, every day this level will increase by 20 to 30 points because the channel is a slant one, and this keeps increasing with every day. So for today the levels is 15,200 levels. You can say 15,200 to 15,210 levels. So trade safely, be careful with your trades, do not rush to take heavy trades. Now I'll go to our student group, and you can see we have warned our students today. We have clearly warned. Where is the message? Let me show you. Okay, no heavy buying today. Be careful with Nifty facing strong resistance at 15,195. Currently it's at 192, but you can take, safe traders can take the resistance levels at 200 and 210. Yes. So that's all for the day. This will be your level of resistance. Be careful because if the correction starts, Nifty might correct for the entire month of Feb and some parts of March as well. So be careful, but I hope for a breakout. Hope this breaks out and we can go long and make a lot of money. Okay. If it doesn't, then the bears will take control from here. So all the best, trade safe. You can reach out to us in the comment section. Do like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions related to Nifty, market, or any stock specific questions, do comment in the comment section and you will get a reply from our team. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. Thank you.
To join our free WhatsApp group, call 7829295555 or visit www.stocktech.in. This video is for educational and study purpose only. We do not assure, guarantee or promise any returns from the strategy in the video, and we are also not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you.